कभी आवश्यकता पड़ी, संकटों के निराकरण में हमने उस समय की सरकार की मदद की है। उस समय के प्रधानमंत्री नरसिंह राव जी ने भारत का पक्ष रखने के लिए मुझे विरोधी दल के नेता के नाते जेनेवा भेजा था और पाकिस्तानी उसे देखकर चमत्कृत रह गए। उन्होंने कहा कि ये कहां से आए हैं, क्योंकि उनके यहां विरोधी दल का नेता ऐसे राष्ट्रीय कार्य में भी सहयोग देने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता। वो हर जगह अपने सरकार को गिराने के काम में लगा रहता है। और मैं चाहता हूं ये परंपरा बनी रहे, ये प्रकृति बनी रहे। सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए।
A poet by instinct and a politician by accident. These words were said by Atal Bihari himself. 16th August 2019 marks the first death anniversary of the legendary politician and former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was one of the most loved Prime Minister of India and an iconic leader. He wasn't just respected by his party members, but also by the opposition leaders. Such was his charm. Vajpayee was just a teenager when he participated in the freedom struggle in 1942 and also served jail time. In 1980, Vajpayee along with Lal Krishna Advani and Bhairan Singh Shekhawat founded BJP and was appointed its first president. In 2015, Vajpayee was conferred the Bharat Ratna. Today, President Ramnath Kovind along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah and several top leaders paid tribute to former PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his first death anniversary. Mr. Vajpayee's adopted daughter Namita Kaul Bhattacharya and granddaughter Niharika were also present at Sadaiv Atal Memorial in Delhi. PM Modi also tweeted about it, and I quote, "Remembering Atalji on his Punyatithi, his thoughts and words live on. We will always cherish his contribution to India's development. Paid tributes to Atalji at Sadaiv Atal this morning. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a great speaker. His words are still remembered and will be remembered forever." Few motivating quotes by Atal Bihari Vajpayee which has been an all-time inspiration were, "You can change friends but not neighbors. Victory and defeat are a part of life, which are to be viewed with equanimity. Truth cannot be hidden for fear that somebody would exploit it.